Are you a 25-year-old looking to secure your financial future? Are you confused about retirement savings and how to make your money work for you? Join me as I unveil the ultimate retirement hack that everyone in their mid-20s should know. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more tips on personal finance and investing. Your future self will thank you. Hello and welcome to the Confident Wealth Solution, where we deliver proven strategies to help you confidently create, expand, and manage your wealth. My name is Karen Kitt. I'm a retired teacher with over 13 years of experience in the financial services industry. In the previous video in this series, Shocking Truths about Retirement in 2025, I explained why 64% of Americans have less than $10,000 saved for retirement. I also broke down the factors contributing to this retirement savings gap and promised to empower you with solutions that I call retirement savings secrets. Today, I'll reveal 3 retirement savings secrets you'll need to master to double or even triple your retirement savings nest egg without any effort. In fact, you might want to rewatch this video when we're done so you can plan for your future with confidence. So, let's get started. Retirement savings. It's a topic that's often put on the back burner until it's too late. But the truth is, understanding how to make the most of your hard-earned money can make all the difference in securing a comfortable retirement. When it comes to setting up a savings plan, the first step is to determine your savings goals. What do you want to achieve? Is it saving for a specific amount or a certain lifestyle in retirement? Once you have a clear idea of what you want, you can start thinking about the right type of savings account for you. Will you opt for a high-yield savings account or explore other options like IRAs or 401ks? It's important to choose a savings vehicle that aligns with your goals and your risk tolerance. From there, you can implement the first retirement savings secret, setting up a consistent savings plan. This might mean setting aside a fixed amount each month or automating your deposits so the money is taken out of your paycheck before you even have a chance to spend it. And also, remember to set up reminders to review your savings plan regularly so that you can make adjustments as needed. Now, let's talk about retirement savings secret number 2, the power of compound interest. This is where the magic happens, folks. Compound interest is essentially the interest earned on both the principal amount and any accrued interest. It's a snowball effect that can help your savings grow exponentially over time. Visualizing how compound interest works can make all the difference in understanding its true potential. Imagine you're 25 and you start saving $500 a month. After 10 years, you'll have contributed $60,000, but your total savings will be closer to $120,000 thanks to compound interest. Fast forward to age 40, and you'll have contributed a total of $120,000, but your savings will be nearly $250,000. By age 65, you'll have contributed $240,000, but your total savings will be over $1.3 million. That's the power of consistent savings and compound interest. Now you'll really want to pay attention as I reveal to you retirement savings secret number 3, the rule of 72. The rule of 72 is a simple formula that helps you estimate how long it'll take for your savings to double based on the interest rate you're earning. For example, if you're earning an 8% annual return, it'll take roughly 9 years for your savings to double. I'll share more about this powerful concept in future trainings. Today, I shared 3 retirement savings secrets to help you bridge the retirement savings gap facing 64% of all Americans. Retirement savings secret number 1, consistent savings habits. Retirement savings secret number 2, compound interest. And retirement savings secret number 3, the rule of 72. Think about it. By the time you reach retirement age, you'll have hopefully saved enough to live comfortably without worrying about making ends meet. In my next training, I'll share my top strategies to help you boost your retirement savings, even with rising interest rates and inflation, so you can feel confident and secure about your future.